Welcome to the video tutorial of eZee BurrP, a desktop-based restaurant management software. In this video, we will learn about how to update cost and stock. A stock consists of all the items or raw materials required to prepare menu items, which includes individual purchase rates, minimum stock, maximum stock, and taxes. To maintain the store stock in bulk and category-wise, eZee BurrP provides stock and purchase rate, which is a store item function. To update store stock in bulk, go to eZee BurrP Back Office. Select the store. On the left-hand side, click on Store. Item Configuration. Cost and Stock. Under Stock and Purchase Rate, filters can be used to update cost and stock of a particular searched category. The inventory items can be filtered as per name, item code, item category. Select all item. If the filter criteria includes intermediate items, select intermediate item. If only intermediate items needs to be searched, click on Search. All the items will be fetched as per the searching criteria. Update the minimum stock quantity, maximum stock quantity, opening stock, purchase rate of the item as per unit in which item is purchased. Set default tax option is mainly used to update the taxes category-wise. For example, on category liquor 5%, food 2.5%, etc. To set default tax, select the tax. Add percentage. Click on Apply. Thus, the tax will be updated for all listed items. eZee BurrP also provides the function to update the cost and stock of the inventory in bulk, with the help of which, the user does not have to update the data one by one, and can update the same in bulk. To update the cost and stock of the inventory item in bulk, click on More options at bottom. Import or export. Export. Yes. Select the path. A file will be exported to the selected folder path including the current stock details. Open the file. Update stock details one by one, as per your requirement. Once all the details are updated, go to eZee BurrP, click on More option at bottom. Import or export. Import. Select the file path. Click on Next. Click on Auto Map, this will automatically map the fields used in file. Click on Next. Items will be fetched from the files. Click on Next. Once you get success for all the items, click on Finish. Once the file is imported, all the data will be updated. Click on Save to save the details. Note, if any error comes in that case, check the file format. Click on More option. Update rate on another store, to update the rate of another store stock as like the current one. Select the store and click on Update. Click on Yes. Click on OK. Click on More option. Get rate from BOM. To update the rate as per the BOM, once all the data is updated, click on Save to save the details. This is how a user can update the cost and stock of store items. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries or feedback, kindly contact our 24/7 live chat support.